Hey guys, today I'm here with my mom, Marla. Marla, say hi.
Hi.
And we are going to make a traditional Christmas dish, Kutia. Growing up, I recall having Kutia at Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And anytime anyone would come over for Christmas Eve dinner, they would be like, what is this dessert, this sweet dish? I need a recipe. So I thought it would be fun to hang out with my mom today and make it for you. So my mom was nice enough to prepare all these ingredients. The base is soft wheat groats. So we picked these up from the Polish store. She cooked them. This is about, how many cups dry?
Two cups.
2 cups of wheat groats. Great. Cooked.
Yeah.
So that's prepped for us, which is nice.
Yes, that's gonna be the first one.
Great.
Okay.
And next we have hazelnuts. Ground and they're raw, so they're not toasted or anything.
Raisins.
Yep.
White one.
Great. Golden raisins. It's about
Golden, yes. Cup. Everything is like 1 cup.
And dark raisins.
Dark raisins.
We got slivered almonds.
Almonds. 1 cup also.
Next we have walnuts chopped. To me, these are kind of the key ingredients. So Mom, what is this?
Poppy seed.
Poppy seeds. And what did you do with these poppy seeds?
I cooked them and ground them.
And then she grounded them. So it comes out like a mash almost.
Yeah, but you could use
Canned poppy seed too.
canned poppy seed, the one they use for a poppy seed cake.
Nice, or makowiec.
Makowiec, yes.
So I'd say this, like the poppy seed stands out in this dish.
And honey.
And the honey. So now, yeah, I think a big question for me is how much honey?
So you could mix everything together now before you add the honey.
Okay. So I'd consider this like a pudding, right? Like a sweet, or a porridge.
More porridge, more, it's like dessert. Yeah.
And the longer it stays, the better it tastes.
Yes.
I think that's pretty good, no?
Yes, look pretty good. And now we're adding honey.
But this is a 32-ounce jar of honey.
But yeah, maybe, you have to judge yourself how you,
So it's not too dry.
not too dry, you could always add next day. A little bit more.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we definitely need more.
Yes. See.
But it's getting sticky.
But now
But this is a good sized portion. I feel like you make sometimes you make double this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Perfect.
That's a good consistency. I think that's
Perfect.
good. Yeah. Okay, let's taste it.
It's even better when stay longer, like next day. So you could prepare day before.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
flavors will
The flavors
will meld together. The recipe will be in the caption. Well, thank you for showing me.
See?
Yeah. Very good.
It's very good.
And that's how you make kutia. Thanks for watching.